All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Kevin here. Going to teach you how to win two, not just one, two LT Wright knives. Everybody knows about LT. Amazing work. I have one, the Hidden Woodsman 2nd edition bushcraft knife. It's an LT Wright crafted knife. So if you follow along closely, I'll show you how you can win those. All right, so let's talk about this giveaway. Steve over at 73 Forge Outdoors is giving away two LT Wright knives. Got to be at least $300–400 worth of knives. I want in on it. There's a bonus item that I'm not even gonna say. You got to click here. If you're on a mobile device or something, in the description box below, there'll be links to Steve's giveaway, and you got to check this thing out, especially if you're just like starting out in bushcrafting or the outdoors and you want some killer gear right away. It's a shame he's giving them away, but I know why. You got to go find out why. So I'll talk a little bit more about it while I chop up this wood. So remember, you always want to pay attention when you're chopping wood, right?
That was awesome.
So I just wanted to go over a few pieces of my gear that I think are very essential, that you don't see that often. And I gotta say, hands down, my most important piece of gear has got to be this first aid kit. So forget flipping through buttons and straps on your pack, you know, digging for that thing. Yep, you can strap it on the outside, but when you're 40 feet in the woods, 100 yards in the woods, or however far away from your pack, that could be useless. So I'm going to encourage everybody to try and get some type of small kit while you're out here by yourself on your body, guys, because you lose a limb out there, or you know, you get a big giant gash. It'd be nice to just put some clot stop on there and just, you know, get it, you know, so where you can actually limp out of the woods. Maybe wrap a gauze or some tape around your you know, around your leg or something. Like some of this always on me, and again, man, this will stop a wound if it's like a puncture or something, you know, you got an avulsion or a flap of skin. So just think about it, guys. Again, you can bring all the stuff you want out in your pack and leave it right on top or on the side of it, but we do a lot of our work out in the you know, away from camp sometimes. So just a little word of wisdom from me. Whatever you do, the rule of thumb when you're using axes and knives and stuff is never have any meat below the blade. Anything below the blade is getting cut. Anything above the blade is safe. So again, doing this is not a good idea. Just chipping it away to get it started, but you can't leave your hand there, guys, because that's how. Some fingers. So all you got to do is go over to Steve's channel, 73 Forge Outdoors, say I'm in the comment section, subscribe to his channel, and ultimately if you do a video like this, you'll get some bonus entries. And I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it. Got to be at least $500 to $600 worth of stuff, and the winner is getting it all. I'm throwing in a Hidden Woodsman tinder pouch filled with tinder, and I'll send that to the winner, or however Steve wants to do it. But that's my donation. I'm sure there'll be more because he is a PBC brother, and we tend to extend ourselves when anyone has a giveaway. So I'm in. You head over there. I like free stuff. You like free stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.